Hello everyone, we are back with another stream gold, forex gold, whatever you call it. I don't know what you call it. But let's start with our every time top down analysis, which we never follow now. I don't know what's happening with me these days. Um I just freak out, have some FOMO shit going on with me. I don't know what's happening. Forget it. I don't need this trade history anymore. Yeah, if we see this monthly candles, damn, bruh, this candle moved almost, ouch, $600, not 60, not 6, but $600. It's one of the biggest moves. Few, like if we measure this one, if we measure this candle, how many pips did this candle move? The body. Yeah, see, we're having almost the same sort of body. Okay, I don't know whether someone is looking at me. I forget it. I don't care. Okay, I don't know what I am. I don't look good at the moment. I don't know what's wrong with me. Is something wrong with? I don't know. Okay, so forget it. Yeah. Yeah. So this is monthly pushing up badly. You know, weekly. We had a very, very strong support back in November. This was in November. We tapped the price of gold in November and August. Okay, so this is weekly, daily. Daily is very high. Oh my God, daily is pushing up high in the sky. You know, whoever's holding from here, like from this level, whoever's holding this level, he's he's damn rich at the moment. You know, he's rich, man. He's rich. He's rich. Let's see what 4 hour does. This is the first day of this week, the last week, I guess, of August. Out. Out. You know, I should put this down, stupid. I don't want to see your face anymore. Yeah, I don't want to see that. Okay, so 4 hours are pushing. I don't know what's wrong with the gold. Why aren't you giving us some sort of, you know, yeah, I don't know. Why aren't you doing that? So 1 hour, 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour, yeah. Okay, so we have a support on 1 hour over here. We had this resistance on 1 hour somewhere, broke above and went out, nothing happened. This was our resistance, and the gold is broken. The gold is doing what it's supposed to do, and it's stupid, man. It's moving like it never moved. This was a very strong support. It became a resistance. If we measure this, gold moved already. Why am I sitting at the moment even? You see, the gold just moved 1500 pips already in the day, the whole day. Gold just freaking consolidated. Dun, 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 dun. Took my took my stupid loss over here. No, no, not here. Let me see. Where was that? Where was that? Yeah. You see, this was some sort of support. We broke the support, and then next candle broke low, and my stop loss was here, and I got my stop loss here. What a stupid trade I took! But I just followed my rules, and I like that. But at the moment, what the hell is gold doing? I don't know. Hi, hi, viewer. Hi, viewer. Okay, yeah. So there's there isn't anything gold might be doing. It might give us any 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 setup after 4:30, or maybe not. I don't know, but we can have only a selling opportunity if we broke below this support. That's the only thing we can have. Nothing else is happening. Nothing else. Literally nothing else is happening because the gold is moving without any structure or anything. If we see on 30 minute, you see, it's just moving. The 30-minute started moving up. It broke the support resistance over here. The candle started. It went up almost 40, 40, 50 pips, 47 pips, and then boom, 125 pips down, taking out all the residents. Like, who cares now? Let's see for 4 hours, just bullish. And what's the okay, sorry. What's the 4 hours doing at the moment in the back? Yeah, yeah. 47. We have a resistance. Okay, sorry. We have a support over here. Let's see what the gold is not gonna give us any chance, any chance. No, it consolidated the whole day. It went up, it came out, it took hold. Let's see any news or something like that. I don't think so. Hi, viewer. You left so early. You don't even know what I was about to do. I was gonna give you some good trades. You can lose money in it. What up? I'm I'm high with this water. No, 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 no. Don't open that shit, bro. Don't. Okay, okay. Forex factory. Forex factory. Okay. Okay. U.S. Treasury expected to announce it will broaden scope of secondary sanctions on on the countries entitled doing business with Iran. Oh, okay. Yeah, so yeah, they're gonna put some sanctions on the countries who are doing business with Iran. I think there's a lot of countries you can't do that, but it's it's just a statement so that dollar gets a bit stability. Stability, no coming, baby. Forget it. No chance. Any other news? Any other news? Any other news? Top, top stories, top stories. More. Bissnet, Bissent could tap near 1 trillion Treasury Journal account to fund bond. Okay. See, they just want to save dollar. This news is bad for dollar. This news is good for dollar. The gold might have gone up and then down and then up. Okay, let's see what the gold did. Let's see what the gold. What time? What time did the news came? It came an hour 39 minutes ago. Okay, almost 2 hours. Okay, what's the time at the moment? It's 16. Okay. It's 14 something, right? 14.30. Yeah. See, the gold just pumped up 23.80, came back, and then 43 minutes ago, 15, 30, 45. So gold went down. Bullish news, bearish news, and then gold is going up. This is what the gold is doing. This is what they're doing. This is what they're doing. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Ooh. Wow. Nothing much happening in the modern day, modern day facility. This is what you do. This is what you do. That's my name. That's my name. Well, let's eat some. Let's eat some snacks. I have snacks on my desk. On my desk. I don't have a chocolate. I don't have a. Why the hell I have a spoon in my drawer? I have some chocolates, is it? But I'll go with these. I like these biscuits these days. Ritz. I like these biscuits. It's crackers, not biscuits. It's cracker, freshly baked, not fried. Oh, they're baked. I didn't knew that the biscuits were fried. Stupid. Let's eat those. Yeah, let's eat those. Let's eat those. One biscuit at a time. Mm. I like crackers these days. Original. I had crackers with the cheese. Oh, so good. And some red peppers. You know, you don't have any clear structure. This candle burns like this, and the next candle breaks this resistance. Then I'll be looking for. Uh, yeah, can't do anything, bro. I thought they're gonna be good, but the originals I don't like it. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Okay, okay. Okey, okey, okey. Hemen sek daha sevinecek. Let's see what the market's gonna do. What the market gonna do? What the market gonna do? Market gonna do? I don't wanna see that. I'm stupid. Okay, something's not working at all. I tried to open TradingView many times, but uh, I think so. It did not work. Mhm. Okay, so basically, yeah, we are having no movement at all. Buy the gold. It's the 15-30 minute. It's the new candle started. And we have this resistance. We will wait for the candle to close. Because it's 9:30, the volume will be there. But I don't want to rush things. I want to see a candle close above. You know what I mean. You know what I do. I don't want to break my rules. Yeah. No setup, no nothing. Only if we have a closure above this around here, then we'll look for. No, 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 no good setup. No, not even good. No setup at all. We're trying to find some sort of trade, but nah, the gold on ain't gonna leave. You know what I'm talking about? The gold on, yeah, the gold's gonna do this. They ain't gonna do. What one? Mm, you know how I feel. Okay, that's 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute. Yeah, I don't think so. This stream is gonna get any sort of trade or anything or and then it's in the trade and then it's in the trade, it's in the trade. No, not trade, it's in the even on 30 minute they are not creating any sort of setups. You sit down, you sit up. Yeah, look at me in my eye. Aye, Captain. What if I cut my hairs and then I might look good? I ain't looking good at the moment. Or even if I cut my hairs, I don't look. What's the probability of that? What's the probability of being looking good after cutting after doing my hairs as well? Some stupid hairs just get up here. Na पूछ परिसातों से हिचड़ कैसे झेला है. If I'm just gonna close it like this, um, I don't know because the market isn't the way it should be, and it's choppy. No, I don't want to be chopped in it. I ain't want to get into that. I don't want to get into that. I don't want to get into that. Yeah, you know what? I probably will get my hair done today, no matter what happens. No matter what happens, I'll do my hair today. I'm the fisherman that goes shopping. If the scandal closes, legit. There's nothing much, but I'm happy that there's some retracement is there. Some retracement incoming, incoming, retracement incoming. Yeah, like I'm in a battlefield, I'm trying to look for something good, and yeah, this is good. This is good. Oh, you know, oh, there were two viewers. There's one more viewer just came and just went. I was doing my shit, but forget it. I am sitting. I'm sitting on my shop. Last 4 minutes for this candle to close, and it will give us structure. Yeah, 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 yeah. It broke above, it broke below. We don't know because it was 30-minute candle. Yeah. I don't know why I want to. I I don't want to speak. If you know how I feel. There's nothing much happening on the charts. We are off the charts. We saw the news, bearish and bullish, both of them, about 3 minutes to go for this candle to close, and we are waiting. What's the gold gonna do? If you hear some voice, just make a noise. Wow, I don't know.
Oil prices are moving fast, creating opportunities.
Ooh, last 1 minute. That's so nice. nice. It is following. Yeah, the candles are falling. If we get a closure below this, oh my god, that would be so beautiful. Oh my god, oh my god. Let's see what the gold's gonna do. Gold's gonna do. Last 1 minute, last 1 minute. Let's see what's gonna do. After looking at this candle, okay, we didn't get a closure below. We want a closure below the support. And if we get a clear green candle from here, we might take a buy from here because we are at a support, very strong support. Your DJ in the house. Play your beats, play your beats, play your beats. Yes. Yeah, I'm being dramatic, I'm being stupid at the moment, but there's nothing much to do. There's nothing much to do, man. You know, nothing much happening, nothing much to do. Something get in my eye. I don't know who are you. I can just wear my glasses as well. I'm a bit pumped. I'm a bit pumped. Yeah. I'm a bit pumped. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Yeah. Yeah. Haha. Yeah. It's been long, no W's in the chat. Oh, okay, we are having a very good, very beautiful, very nice, very interestingly for yeah. Yeah, we are coming from the support. If we get a good candle closure, and then we will be looking for for the buys because the buys. Yeah, that's a conquer. Yeah, I came, I saw a conquer. We have closure above, but it's so quick. Ah, so so strong, giving no opportunity to any sellers or buyers up in the sky.
Well, that shouldn't be part of your morning routine.
Ah, no, nothing, nothing, nothing. I used to be so disciplined. I used to be so good at it, and now I have so much things going on in my head. Nothing's popping up at the moment. Yeah, and nothing else is happening with me as well. And I lose all of my confidence in my trading system, my strategy, and I started looking here and there, which I shouldn't be doing because I know I don't. Peace. Let's see what. Okay, we have 11 minutes to go still on the clock. 9:30. The market's already open in New York, and the market's about to go cross all the levels. I think the market's gonna close somewhere about here. It already moved around 200 pips. What can you expect from the market now? But there's volatility, and we had consolidation since the morning. We consolidated the whole day, and still we didn't have any big move yet. We had small moves, but not that big as we expected to have. If we have a closure below, above, we buy, we sell. We know nothing about, we know nothing yet. Can you hear? Can you hear? Can you hear? Can you guys hear? Because I don't know, I can't see all the. Okay, someone's watching, man. Someone's watching. I like it. Hi, viewer. We are waiting for the candle to close above or the candle to close down. Then we have opportunity to buy either or to sell either. Either. We are okay. If we close below bearish with engulfing 30 minutes, we'll be in deep troubles, my boy. My boy. Okay, if we close below, we'll be very happy to take a sell. To take a sell. To tell comment tu t'appelles? 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 Hi viewer, you are in a gold live stream. We are expecting a move. We have clean range to get a loss, to lose some money today. Let's see how much we lose today because markets never, markets, it's been long since we had a profit. And just join us and have a good pair of loss. Yeah, I like the beat. I like the beat. We're gonna see, we're gonna wait, we're gonna wait, we're gonna win. We're gonna wait. We go. It's the last 6 minutes for this candle to close, an hourly candle to close, and a 30-minute candle to close, and a 50-minute candle to close, and we are in a good position. I don't think so. We need some retracement, but we did already. The gold is golden. Gold with no drama. It went all the way up from here. Uh, We don't know what the gold is gonna do. We don't know what we. Shh. Go ahead. Last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes. Let's see what the 5 minutes are doing. 5 minutes are just consolidating, and then we don't see any sort of move. If we close below, we have a good clean range to fill this wick of 100 pips, and then we go down and on 37 pips. Ooh la la. We can get about 50, 60 pips, 70 pips, 80 pips, 90 pips, 100 pips. Whatever you say, my pip. Yes, 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 yes. We are waiting makes us win, but sometimes, most of the time, the market does not let you win, and that's what the gold is doing every day. It's not letting me win because I'm not following the rules. I was just reading. I was using Instagram and I just got a reel. Let me see what that reel was. It Let me see where did that reel went. Let me see that reel. I'll read out loud to you because if there is someone listening or someone's watching, I'll show you. Let me, yeah, this is better. Yeah, activity. Watch history. If I don't see that, if I don't see that, okay, yeah. Here's the quote. This is such a true thing. The quote says, "Every trader reaches the day where losing stop hunting." Okay, sorry, forgot. Okay, you went stupid. I don't care. Okay, um, every trader reaches the day where losing stops hurting, and breaking their own rules is the only thing that does. This is so true. This is so true. Well, let's. Wow, what a nice music it is. What a nice, soothing music. I like it. What a beautiful music it is. Oh yeah, Blue Planet, Piggy. Okay, 1 minute for this candle to close, and this is such a beautiful. Let's see. the stream. Yeah. Okay, so we have a support point, we have a resistance point. What happened? Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So we want a closure below, we want a closure above, and that's only the thing. No freaking impulse entries. No. Either I'm getting a closure or I'm not gonna trade. Because I broke my rule so many times, I don't wanna rush myself into a trade. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see.
For just $67, you can
I don't need a $67. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Either we get a closure above. No, no, no. Nothing special happening. Four, six, 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 six. What a number of gold today. What a number. What a number. What a number. What a number. If we see a closure below, I'll be very happy to take a sell. But only after the closure below. It's not gonna break my rules. Broke many times. I ain't broke. I ain't gonna break now. The market is not pushing up. The market is not pushing down. Nothing, nothing, nothing. We're waiting for a closure below so that we can take a sell. It will be a very strong sell, very beautiful sell, and we can have this wick fill for almost 100 pips. Yes, 100 pips. And after 130 pips, which will be very beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's wait. Let's wait and see what the market's gonna do. I like this music. I don't listen to music, but this one's good. This one's good. I hope I don't get in copyright. Quite bounce. You know, the market structure is bullish. See, the market is creating some high, low, high, low, high, low, and the market creating another high. Wow. And this is going on from a very long time. Well, okay, okay. 8 minutes still. 8 minutes left for this candle to close, and we will see what the market's gonna do. Wow. Market just chopped everyone. The ones who were going for buys, the ones who were going for sells, market chopped everyone. And I don't know what market's gonna do today now again, because the treasury market is buying their own bonds. They're using $1 trillion to uphold the buybacks, which they're trying to stabilize the economy, stabilize the dollar. But eventually, it is bullish for gold. Let's see what's happening. I took a trade last Friday. I couldn't come online. It was this trade. I took it from here to here. Let's see, was it this? Oh no, this one was it. Coming from support, lows bullish, and then we had a clean range, almost around 36. So we got 130 pips. And that was aggressive as well. Even this is coming from the support, but the rejection is so big, I'm not sure. Here, the initial was not that big. The wick was small. Yeah. Okay, the gold's pumping now. The gold's pumping. The gold's pumping. If we see a candle closing above this level, we might take a buy, even though we already moved 72 pips. What was the stop loss? Okay. Market did show, but we have 4 minutes to go now. Let's see what the 4 minutes do. Let's see what the 4 minutes do now. Can't jump in, can't jump in, can't jump in. Wow, what a boring session. Another boring session by gold. Gold is not giving us any chance. You know what? I marked my support over here and the market just came to here and went back. This is how exact how clean your zones should be. And then I marked my resistance and the market just stopped that resistance and came back. Wow. Oh man, you're so good at it. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Water. Last 2 minutes for this candle to close. If this candle closes small, oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know when you know it. When you know it, okay, it's getting bigger and bigger. On 5 minutes, the market is starting to create lower lows. I'll show you. Nope, not yet. Last 1 minute. You got a minute to win it. Good luck. When I was young, I used to love this show. That bald guy, I don't know what's his name now, now and then as well. But I like that show. You got a minute to win it. Good luck. 5, 4, three, two. Yeah, it's already dead. So it's a small candle. Yeah, we're losing the buying momentum. Yeah, we are losing the buying momentum. We don't yet. We don't know yet. Oh, what happened? Why was the volatility coming? Is there another news or something? Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me, man, don't tell me. Forex market, Forex market. Trump, Canada has been ripping off the USA for years. Oh, tariffs on cars, trucks. Oh my God. Is he tariffs on car, trucks, auto parts, and steel will be increased to 50%. Oh my God. Trump is the kind of guy who screams online that he broke up with his pathetic loser of a girlfriend, when in reality he got dumped cold. What the hell, man? Wow, what an amazing comment. Okay, see, it's going down. There's nothing such big news at the moment. Rush goes to Yao Ming. Will he bring an inflation plan? I hope it does, otherwise America's going down. Damn. Let's see. We have a closure below or no? Nobody knows. 30 minutes. We're going down by 30 minutes, yeah. We want. Let's look for some cells below this level. We will sell from here if we get a closure below. If not, then no. Give us some setup gold. I request you. Okay, we're just. Well, the 30th of August. Okay. 11 minutes still. We will wait. We will see what the gold will do. It's been 1.5 hours. I don't want to go home without taking any trade, and I want to. Okay. Cold. Rather than calling this commodity gold, We should call it cold. The how cold it is, how cold it is that it breaks the markets every time we expect it to go in such a direction. You see, it broke the low of the previous hours as well, and now it's pumping up. It broke the low of the previous hour, now it's going up. Stupid. What happened? Okay. Disappointing gold. Like, if if you wanted to go down, why would you? If you wanted to go up, why would you break the low of the previous candle? Like, there is no market structure. Like, you broke the low of this candle of 30 minute, 1 hour. That means you're gonna go down. Now you're pumping up. Stupid. We didn't broke the high of the previous 15-minute candle, previous 30-minute candle, previous 1 hour candle, and we're in 1 hour. We never know what's gonna happen. We never know. Let's see what's happening. What's happening? And then the buying momentum is dying. They're gonna create a double top. Bubble, 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 pop. Last 8 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, and let's see what the 30. If the 30-minute closes like this, this is stupid. Oh, I closed my mic and I kept talking to him. I was saying I'm gonna go to the barber today or tomorrow. But the next tomorrow, the stream I'm gonna do tomorrow will be without those hairs, with these hairs. I'm talking about the future. I'm talking in the future for the past. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Last 6 minutes. No market structure. No value. Value. Wow. No volume. No market structure. The 1 hour is bullish with small green candle. The 30-minute reverse the law. This 30-minute it's reversing. Didn't broke the high of the previous 15-minute candle. Let's see let's see what the gold is going to do. Oh, what? And you see, Golden Node broke
Premium is
the
the
high of the
easy
previous
video download you can watch anytime, anywhere.
1, 2,
Try
3.
1 month free of charge.
Sometimes it feels stupid to just wait for something that isn't gonna happen while you're sitting. The moment you get off the charts, you're gonna get such a beautiful trade. You're like, oh, should I take it or not? I'm not in my system. I haven't done my analysis, and the market just goes as it is printed. Wow, this happens to me. I guess it happens to everyone. Let's see. Yeah, the gold is. Why would you even do that? You showed everyone that you're gonna go down, and now you're pumping in the last 3 minutes. Nobody would have expected that from you, or anyone. That's why I'm not gonna call you. I'm not gonna call you cold instead of gold. You're cold. You're as cold as ice. Okay. Wow. There's nothing happening on the gold chart. If I show you this, there's nothing happening on the gold chart. No. Gold just ripped off everyone. This was Asia. This was London. And this is New York. Both of them just consolidated. Wow. Manipulation, consolidate. And this should be distribution, but the goal is not distributing anything. It's distributing stop losses. It's hunting stop losses and giving to everyone who put them. Let's place them. Red uncertain candle. You know what? There is no clean move on gold at the moment, and nothing's happening in gold. The gold just broke below the low of the pre 15, 30, and 1 hour. We broke below the 30 and 1 hour, and now you're pushing up. And now you don't have any volume in your. What else can we do? We have to wait. Otherwise, the market will make us pay for what we have done. Yeah, it's gonna. Okay, let's see. Is it gonna close above? I want a clue about this. I don't know. It's been 1.5 hours. We didn't get any trade. This is the last candle. I'll be waiting and then I'll be signing off because this time is enough. The candle is breaking above, but that's not surprising because the market is bullish and it is going for buys. The buys.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and ad-free videos on the YouTube Kids app, so kids can bounce to Kids Bop without missing a beat. YouTube Premium. It's way more than ad-free. Try 1 month free of charge.
Like I said, I'm gonna trade only this last candle, and if it doesn't give us anything, I'll be signing off for the day because I genuinely don't want to mess up my mind because I've been waiting and the gold is not giving us anything. So let's let's just let's just pretend that we will be if we didn't lose anything if we didn't make anything we didn't lose anything as well. So that's the point. Can you imagine what kind of market structure is this? A big bullish candle with a big bearish with a big rejection, then a small body doji candle, and then again a bullish candle. Wow. Last 6 minutes for this candle to close, and I'm pretty sure there is not going to be any market structure when we will close this stream because it's been almost 1.5 hour. Last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes. Nothing much happening. Market's stupid, taking SLs. You know, somebody would have took a buy from here because it's coming from the support. Put the SL below this candle. And the market did went up, but it went down eventually. That's the time when the no stop loss guys come in. Like, yeah, you know, that's why we say don't put stop loss. Market will reverse. Well, you know what? Sometimes market does not reverse, and if and it pegs you back. Last 4 minutes candle. Nothing much happening. It's not breaking the resistance. Not at all. Ah! Like two last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. And this candle is rejecting from the resistance. It rejected it quite heavily. Let's see how this candle closes. Okay. Okay. This is stupid. Monday is boring. Boring is Monday. Okay, guys, it's boring day. Nothing. Thank you so much for showing, or whoever showed up. We'll do streaming tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.